Hi everyone, it's Mayel, and today I'm going to be showing you 2 simple and cute Easter gift ideas. So for the first one, I'm using the Pusheen the Cat poster book to create a cute Pusheen squishy, and I'm using this Easter one, but of course you could totally freehand this or print out a picture. Now I'm going to go ahead and trace this with a pencil. Going in with a black marker. I'm also erasing all of the pencil marks, and I'm going to color it in with some Crayola crayons and Mr. Sketch twistable crayons, but feel free to color this with markers, colored pencils, or whatever you like to use when coloring. Now cut out your Pusheen paper template out, and we're going to put this on a blank sheet of paper and trace it so that we can have 2 of the exact same image so that we can use as a front and back of the paper squishy. Now once you have it like this, you can go ahead and take some scissors again and cut this one out. And I'm also adding some whiskers, and now we can try to attach this, but first we have to color the back, and make sure you are coloring the back of the squishy and not the same side, so the front of it, because last time I did that and I had to do this twice, so make sure you're coloring the back of your squishy. And by the way, thank you for giving my Galaxy Slime video 100 views. Now I'm taking some thick clear tape, and we're going to laminate the front of the squishy and cut off the excess of it. And this will just prevent it from damaging, and it will also make your paper squishy more squishy, and again cut off the excess. Repeat this for both sides, and with some clear thin tape we are going to attach it. So just take little strips of it and place it around all the edges, and make sure to do this until you have it all fully covered. We'll leave one pocket like this because now we are using grocery bags instead of stuffing to make it squishy. So cut off pieces of this and stuff it in. You could also just stuff in a whole bag if you want to. That's what I did just to save some time, and close it down so that you have your very own Easter Pusheen squishy. By the way, the more grocery bags you add, the squishier your paper squishy will be, so feel free to add more of it. So for the Easter baskets, I'm taking these cute little baskets, and you can find these almost anywhere, and some of this Easter grass, and mine is hot pink, but I know that there are various colors. Now I'm taking some chocolate eggs, and I'm going to place those in the center of the Easter baskets. And now I'm taking some flour lollipops, and we're going to add these too. I'm putting these all around the edges, but of course you can add whatever candies you like. I'm also adding this little Easter bunny, and feel free to switch out the colors of the baskets, grass, or switch up the candies to whatever you like, because personalize this for your friends. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the second upload this week, and please like, comment, and subscribe to see future videos here on my channel. Bye!